You got this. You're good. We're going to the park. We're going to go connect. We are going to go run. Play some fetch. Yeah, right. Rods do fetch. Well, maybe. Look at him. He's a beast. He wants to just go take on the whole world. Reminds me of someone I know. Because that's how we're built. To thrive in this beautiful world. To connect to others. This beautiful world. God bless you with many beautiful gifts. However, everything is temporary. Cherish every moment, every opportunity, every interaction on a day-to-day basis. Enjoy the miracles that are in front of you every single day. Love.